Hi everyone, welcome back to Fat Cat Toy Collector. Today we'll make the third train in LEGO Creator Emerald Express. The third train is this one. It's the rocket train. We have some instructions and 2 bags of Legos. Okay, let's start. Great! That's it for the rocket train. The rocket train looks really fast, and it has a place for the engineers to sit, and 6 wheels, 3 on each side. So now we've made all 3 of the trains from Emerald Express. Let's connect them. Now we have a full train. Well, that's it for this toy. Thanks for joining us at Fat Cat Toy Collector, and see you soon!